Our sun in Utah is orange. Why is it like that? It's orange. See? Just take a look at it. Wow. It's probably gonna be red tomorrow. I don't believe about that wildfires or whatever thing it is. But our sun is orange. It's gonna be blue tomorrow. And the next day, the next couple days, probably gonna be green. See? It's orange. Yeah, I'm kind of tired of having a white sunlight or a little yellowish. Well, I like it orange like this. And when it turns red tomorrow, let me know. But I like it when it's blue though. Yeah, our sun is orange. I like it. See, it's orange. Yeah, our sun in Utah is orange. It's orange. In California, it's probably blue. And in other states, it's probably, I don't know, green. But in Utah, it's orange. And I heard that it's gonna be red tomorrow. Quite like it. Quite like it. Yeah, our sun in Utah is orange. It's probably our best colors. It's orange. Yeah, it's gonna be green tomorrow. And let me know when it's gonna be blue. Yeah, our sun is orange.